I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.
Hi and welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name's Simone. Today I'm doing an empty house tour. I am doing things a little bit backwards. I was in the middle of doing the cleaning videos, but I've been so busy unpacking and I just haven't had the time to edit more videos, so this is a quick one for me to do. So here's some photos of us packing and moving, and here's the cottage that we've moved into, and then look at all these boxes that I've got to go through, so that's why I just can't get everything done, and why I've not been able to keep on top of all your videos as well, apart from the internet not working. So this is the street that we lived on. We was really central, everything was on our doorstep, all shops and everything. This is the house. It's 3 stories. So here's a little vestibule area, and there's Ryan if you've not seen him before, and there's baby Micah. Neva and Caleb, my other children, was with my mum at the time. So this was our living room stroke dining room area, but we had the back where the table was as a play kind of room. Our homeschool, so we made this an area for the children, and I'll put a video above if you want to check out when we transform the playroom. So this is the living room, and like I said in a previous video, pretty much everything in all this in the house, it was furnished, so all of that will be staying, including the TV. So here is the hall. So that table that was in the other room, that we put it in this dining room here. This is the under the stairs, so there's paints and other bits and bobs in there. So like I was saying, in this room we had the dining table previously. Here is a little, I suppose you could call it a courtyard, but it was so damp and horrible the kids couldn't play in there, and no sunlight came in either. So here is the kitchen. So again, the table in there that was here when we moved in. So we cleaned it all, and I have done a cleaning video, and I'll link that above and in the description box in a playlist if you want to check out us sorting out the cupboards, and my daughter was helping me as well. So this is a utility area. So we had a big fridge freezer there, and there's a boiler and the washing machine and dryer. So we cleaned all that, and then outside there's the big oil tank for fuel, and then there's just like, I mean, you couldn't really play in there as well, it was really dirty at the back. And then there was another door to get into that courtyard. So I'm going out of here now. I'm going to take you upstairs to show you what it's like. So yeah, like I was saying, sorry about the noise, but little Mike is here. I have so much footage of tidying, Ryan tidying with Micah. I'll be doing that video next. So here is a guest toilet, I suppose you could say, and then this was Neva's bathroom, but I've told you before we used to use a master bathroom for the ensuite to have baths and things, because we didn't want the kids to be on their own. You might have just seen there that there was some mold. So this was Neva's bedroom. So yeah, one of the reasons why we wanted to move out, one was because we wanted to have some outdoor space for the kids, and 2 was because there was damp and mold in the house, and obviously it's not good for your health. So that's one of the reasons why we wanted to get out of this house. So this was Ryan and I can't even get my words out. Ryan and I, no, that's not right, is it? Mine and Ryan's bedroom. So yeah, it was a really nice spacious bedroom. That wardrobe was a nightmare to clean with all the mirrors. So here was the closet. I did do a video where I transformed it, and again I'll link that above if you want to check it out. And here's Ryan, he just found some coat hangers at the back of the radiator. So here was the bathroom. I absolutely love that window, but can you see the tiles are black at the top and on the ceiling, because we couldn't open that window properly because there was a gutter there, so it was really difficult to stop the condensation from getting in. So yeah, it was a lovely bathroom. So next we're going to go upstairs, and this is where Caleb's bedroom was. So there's a window there, and that was just overlooking the back. There's no sea views from there though, it was just houses that you could see. And then that was his wardrobe and chest of drawers. I have a video coming up where we are sorting all of them out, and we did it in less than an hour. So this was the kids' playroom, like another play area for them to be in. We had the bedroom in the other room, so we put it back where it was when we first moved in. So again, I've got a video where we're sorting out the playroom if you want to check that out, when we was packing it all up. And then here was the bathroom upstairs. Again, if Caleb wanted a bath, he would come down into our room. So this was a really nice, bright and airy bathroom, but again you can see some black mold there as well. So this is what it looked like when we moved in. Like I said, we had the bedroom in there, but we put everything back, the sofa and everything, and there was the view. You can see the sea from there. And yeah, that's it really. So yeah, it was kind of like a little living room area, but like I said, we turned this one into a bedroom. So this was Caleb's bedroom, but we moved the bed back. I'm really sorry that I can't get my words out, I'm so tired. So here's little Micah having a little look round, and then this is the last time that we was in that house. So now we've moved. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
You're beautiful.